How to recover Gmail password without phone number. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to recover Gmail password without phone number. To start the process, open your Gmail application on your mobile device. Now tap on profile icon on your top right. Here tap on add another account. After that, tap on Google. Now enter your email address. Then tap on next. Here tap on forget password. Now enter your code which they have sent you. Go back and open your Gmail. Here tap on that mail, scroll down and you will find your code. Now enter that code here. Then tap on next. This is how you can recover your Gmail password without a phone number. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.